Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you the new signs that are being put up by the roundabout at the Manley International Airport. We're actually driving out of the airport now, heading back towards the Palisades Strip. On the left is the solar wind panels, or the solar system that they put in to power the airport. So they have removed, the airport authority has removed the old Air Jamaica sign that used to be at the roundabout, and they are putting in two signs, one that says Kingston and one that says Manley International Airport. So here you can see the sign that says Kingston, and as we go around you'll see the other Manley International Airport sign. Okay, and they've very nicely set up the roundabout. It actually looks so much bigger now that they've done this work. They put up those concrete barriers to ensure people don't drive onto the roundabout, whether intentionally or accidentally. This is the NMIA sign, which is the call sign for Manley International Airport. They've paved it with the bricks, very nicely done. I'm kind of curious as to what's going to be at the top, because they have these walkways leading to the top, but very nicely done. And as I said earlier, I didn't realize this roundabout was so big. It looks so much bigger now that they've set it up, and this is where the Air Jamaica sign used to be. Very nice Kingston sign, and you can see you have walkways leading to the top. Now these signs are very popular. The Mark Bay sign is popular, the Buff Bay sign is popular, or is it Bull Bay? The Montego Bay sign, I think the most popular one though is the Negril sign. People stop all the time and take pictures of that one. And so they've put in this Kingston sign. And there's a lot of space on the left for people to park. You'll have to cross the road and go and take pictures with the sign, and very nicely done. And putting it by the airport is very nice as well. So we'll keep you guys updated on what's going on out here. But so far it's looking good. I'm wondering if they're going to paint the sign though, because you can see they're still working, and they have lights at the bottom, so it's going to light up at night. Very nicely done. Most of the signs are painted blue. The Negril sign is painted in different colors. So we'll definitely keep you guys updated. We're now heading on to the Palisades Strip and heading towards Harborview, and then into Kingston. Alright guys, let us know what you think about this sign, or these signs out here, and the removal of the Air Jamaica sign. I mean, I guess if Air Jamaica was still flying, the perfect spot for the Air Jamaica sign would be at the top, where you have the walkway leading to the top. But the sign has been removed. It's going to go into a museum, and Air Jamaica no longer flies. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.